Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install this brand Lasfit Auto LED headlights. These are new LED bulbs from this Lasfit details product manual. Everything you need to know about this brand. Let's take a look on the back, the details. So it equivalent to the set is 32 watt per bulb, 3800 lumens per bulb, 6K color, which is pretty good. So the driver, as you see, there is no driver. These are H1s. If I am not mistaken, these are H1 bulbs. So there is no driver. Driver is built in. Usually there is a separate driver. These ones have the driver built in into the bulb itself. Let me show you. Very cool looking bulb. Very powerful fan. Connectors, and this is for Toyota Tundra. I want you to notice something. You can adjust the bulb. Once you install the bulb, see, you can twist and turn in a proper direction so you can get a better light output. I'm thinking probably the best light output if it's going to be like that, with wires down in this position. Not like that, but I think like that. So we'll see. So as you can see, this is Toyota Tundra. These are aftermarket Spyder headlights, and I'm going to show you the installation. So first step is to locate your low beam. In my case, it's a projector style, or actually it's that right there, not this one, and which is in all Toyota Tundras and Sequoias. It's that one right there. So remove the wood, get your light bulb out, and go from there. Take a look how bright these LEDs. Lasfit. Nice. There is a fan, but you can even know it's there. It's so quiet. It's actually amazing. See, for me it's a plug and play, because I already had connectors built in, but you can cut the wires off if you have original factory wires and if you want to install aftermarket headlights. So for me this is plug and play, simple. Black with black, red with blue, or with red, depending what you have. Very bright. And installation, yes, the way you see it, that's how it should be installed, with the wire going down, and I will show you. So, best way to install the bulbs H1 and Tundra is to remove the headlights. I've already tried on this one, on the driver's side. That's what it looks like, the bulb right there. And it's just easier to remove the headlight. The removal is very simple. You have those two clips to remove, you have two bolts that you remove, and then you plastic tool remover tool, get here and push it to the side. And I will post another video where I show better details. Actually, at the end of this video there will be a link to a better video where you can see how to remove headlights on Toyota Tundra or Toyota Sequoia. Once you remove that plastic trim, you have another bolt to remove, and then just slide the headlight towards yourself, towards the front. Once you remove the headlight, remove the rubber boot, disconnect the wires. Since mine is already pre-wired for H1, so I don't have to do any cutting. Plug and play, and just put everything back together. And before you install everything, the headlight, make sure the light bulb is working. So this is the light output with the halogen bulbs. Can't really see much, but at least it gives you better than nothing. And we're gonna compare to LEDs. Not sure if camera can pick it up or not. How much light output is being projected beyond what we see. So let's take a look how LED perform. Are they any better? My experience, definitely. And these ones Lasfit, if I am not mistaken. Yes, and this Lasfit, you know, I really like this brand. Definitely a nice, a lot more light. I would have to update my I-beams too, because I can see the difference. The yellow light. Sure camera can pick it up, but the high beams are yellow because they're still plain regular versus LED low beams. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. I like the fact, you know, the pure white light. Truck hasn't been molded in the same spot as I did with a factory light output comparing halogen. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop me comments. Let me know what you think about this and if you had any experience.